how to zoom in and out on CapCut. So in here, you can see this is one of my video that I'm about to edit on CapCut, and I want this video to zoom in and zoom out. So in order to do that, what I'm going to do is simply tap on this video just like this, and I want this particular point to start the zoom in. So I'm going to drag this just like this, and in here, simply tap on this diamond icon that you can see right here, and this is the point where the zoom in will start. So I'm going to drag this to another point where I want my zoom in to stay. For example, this point, then add this diamond button one more time. And now what I'm going to do is simply zoom in this screen, just like this. And now I'm going to drag this again to the point where I want this zoom to be stayed, just like this one, this particular point right here. Tap on the diamond icon one more time. And then from this point, I want to start the zoom out process, right? So I'm going to again drag this point to like up to here. And then in this point, I'm going to add this diamond icon one more time. And then from here, I'm going to now zoom out the screen, just like this. Now, if we simply replay our video, go back to the first. And just like this, here you can see we have now done our zoom in and zoom out effect on CapCut. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.